This is not just another headline. It's a signal of transformation, a moment that will be remembered for generations to come. Today, we witness history as the Philippines breaks ground on one of Asia's most ambitious infrastructure projects, a $10 billion international airport and economic zone that will redefine the nation's future. The air vibrates with hope and excitement as thousands gather to celebrate a vision turning into reality. For a nation long shaped by dreams and challenges, this day marks a turning point. It's a testament to the Filipino spirit, resilient, optimistic, and always striving for something greater. The world is watching as bulldozers and cranes rise over Bulacan, north of Metro Manila. This once quiet landscape is now alive with the promise of progress. This is the new Manila International Airport, a project that promises to reshape travel, trade, and the country's identity. It will connect the Philippines to the world like never before, opening doors for business, tourism, and opportunity. Leaders, workers, and citizens gather, united by a shared dream and a common goal. Their faces show pride, determination, and a hunger for progress. Each person here knows they are part of something bigger than themselves. Asia's story has always been about bold moves, about nations daring to dream and then building those dreams from the ground up. From Singapore's iconic skyline to Seoul's technological wonders, countries have reimagined themselves through vision and hard work. Now, the Philippines steps onto this stage, ready to join the ranks of Asia's rising stars. The nation is poised to show the world its potential. This is more than news, it's a declaration of intent, a promise that the Philippines is ready to compete, to innovate, and to soar. It's a new chapter for 115 million Filipinos, and a sign to the world that the Philippines is ready for takeoff. The journey begins now, and the future has never looked brighter. The new Manila International Airport, often called Bulacan Airport, is not just large, it's massive. It stands as one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in the Philippines' history, promising to transform the country's aviation landscape. Built on a sprawling 2,500-hectare site in Bulacan Province, the project includes 4 parallel runways, a state-of-the-art passenger terminal, and an integrated economic zone. This vast area is designed to accommodate future growth, ensuring the airport remains relevant for decades to come. It aims to serve 100 million passengers a year, making it one of the biggest in Asia. This capacity will not only ease travel for Filipinos but also attract international travelers and businesses, boosting tourism and commerce. This $10 billion project is led by San Miguel Corporation, one of the Philippines' largest and oldest companies. Their expertise and resources are crucial in bringing this vision to life, ensuring world-class standards at every stage. The government and private sector have joined forces, forming a powerful partnership that combines public oversight with private innovation and efficiency. Their goal, to relieve congestion at the aging Ninoy Aquino International Airport and to create a new gateway that can compete with the best in Asia. The new airport is expected to set new benchmarks for comfort, efficiency, and connectivity. But this is more than just an airport. It's a catalyst for regional development and a symbol of national progress. Plans include a modern seaport, logistics hubs, and a smart city complex. These features will create thousands of jobs and foster innovation, turning Bulacan into a new economic powerhouse. The airport will connect more than just planes. It will link industries, people, and ideas. With advanced transport links, it will seamlessly integrate with Metro Manila and beyond, making travel and trade faster and more efficient. For decades, Filipinos have dreamed of a world-class airport. Generations have hoped for a gateway that truly represents the nation's potential and hospitality. Now that dream is rising from the ground, one steel beam at a time. The new Manila International Airport is not just a project, it's a promise of a brighter future for the Philippines. To many, the new Manila International Airport is more than just metal and concrete rising from the ground. It represents a new era for the country, a bold vision taking shape before our eyes. It is a symbol, a statement that the Philippines is no longer content to wait on the sidelines, but is stepping forward with confidence and ambition. It's a declaration that the nation is ready to lead, to innovate, and to inspire not just its own people, but the entire region. For generations, airports in the Philippines have struggled with delays, overcrowding, and outdated facilities, leaving travelers frustrated and dreams on hold. Many Filipinos, when traveling abroad, would compare their ports to others in Asia, often with a sense of longing, wishing for the same level of comfort and efficiency back home. Now, the tide is turning. The country is embracing change, and hope is rising with every new day at the construction site. The new airport stands as proof that the country can dream big and deliver on those dreams, showing the world what Filipinos are capable of achieving together. National pride pulses through every foundation laid, every beam raised, and every milestone reached on this historic project. The airport draws on Filipino design and ingenuity, blending tradition with modern technology to create something truly unique. From the terminal's flowing curves inspired by the waves that surround our islands, to the use of local materials that celebrate the country's natural beauty and craftsmanship. This is a project that belongs to the people, built by their hands and fueled by their hopes. This airport is not just about flights. It is about faith in the nation's future, and the belief that every Filipino deserves a world-class gateway to the world. It reminds every Filipino that progress is possible, that dreams can take flight, and that the world is taking notice of the Philippines' journey forward. The numbers are staggering. The new Manila International Airport is expected to create more than 1 million jobs. Engineers, builders, service workers, and high-tech specialists will all find opportunities. For many families, this project means hope and a better future. Trade and logistics will never be the same. The airport's integrated economic zone will attract global companies. It will make the Philippines a key hub for shipping goods, connecting Asia, the Americas, and beyond. New trade routes will open, boosting exports of Filipino products and attracting foreign investment. Small businesses in Bulacan and nearby provinces are already feeling the effects. Suppliers, food vendors, and transport operators are gearing up for a wave of new customers. The airport promises to lift entire communities out of poverty, bringing prosperity closer to home. This is not just an investment in infrastructure, it's an investment in people, in progress, and in the promise of shared growth. The new Manila International Airport is not just about planes and runways, it's actually the centerpiece of a smart city vision. Imagine green spaces, digital infrastructure, and seamless transport links that really make life better and easier for everyone. Cutting-edge technology is built into every corner. From biometric security checks to automated baggage systems, the airport will set new standards for efficiency and safety. High-speed trains, electric shuttles, and bike lanes will connect the airport to Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Clean energy and sustainable design are top priorities. But social change is just as important. The airport and its smart city will offer new homes, schools, and parks. Local communities will benefit from better roads, cleaner air, and new opportunities for learning and work. The airport is a model for how the Philippines can build smarter, greener, and more inclusive cities for future generations. No project of this scale comes without challenges. From day one, there were doubts. Environmentalists warned of risks to wetlands and wildlife. Fisherfolk feared losing their livelihoods. Skeptics questioned the cost and the promise of progress. Traffic, flooding, and relocation of entire communities had to be faced. Delays in permits and political disagreements threatened the timeline. The media buzzed with stories of controversy and debate. San Miguel Corporation and the government listened. They held town halls, conducted environmental studies, and revised plans. They promised to restore mangroves, protect habitats, and compensate those affected. Engineers designed flood control systems to safeguard both the airport and nearby towns. Facing criticism, the project didn't hide. Instead, it engaged, adjusted, and worked to win trust, one conversation at a time. Resilience became the project's backbone. When typhoons hit, work crews quickly rebuilt damaged sections. When global supply chains slowed, teams sourced materials locally and innovated on the spot. Adaptability was key. The planners learned from other megaprojects across Asia, taking best practices from Singapore, Hong Kong, and Japan. They invested in disaster-proof technologies and flexible construction methods that could withstand storms and earthquakes. Local governments, businesses, and communities worked together. Training programs prepared local workers for new roles. Social support systems helped displaced families find new homes and livelihoods. Every setback became a lesson, and every lesson brought the project closer to completion. The spirit of Bayanihan, community cooperation, was alive and strong. The new Manila International Airport is not just for Filipinos. It's a new bridge for Asia and the world. With its 4 runways and massive cargo facilities, the airport will become a vital link in global supply chains. More flights mean more tourists, more business travelers, and faster delivery of goods. Southeast Asia is one of the world's fastest-growing regions. The Philippines, with its young workforce and strategic location, is set to become a gateway between East and West. The airport will attract airlines, investors, and companies looking for a foothold in Asia. Neighboring countries are watching closely. The project sparks healthy competition, pushing others to upgrade their own infrastructure. The Philippines is no longer just a stopover. It's a destination, a hub, and a partner in progress. The new airport signals that the Philippines is ready to lead, to connect, and to shape the future of the region. For too long, the Philippines was defined by limitations, by what it lacked rather than what it could achieve. The new Manila International Airport changes this narrative. It shows a nation rising, building, and believing in itself. International media now spotlight the Philippines as a center of innovation and ambition. Filipinos overseas share stories of pride with family back home. Children in Bulacan look up and see possibilities, not just planes. The airport is more than a gateway for travelers. It's a gateway to hope, progress, and a new identity. It is a promise kept, a dream realized, and a beacon for the next generation. The world is watching, and the Philippines is soaring. This is the dawn of a new era, one where the nation claims its place as a leader in Asia's future.